Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Chaewon from 르세라핌 in an adorable chibi style, complete with her vibrant anti-fragile MV outfit, and joined by her cute mascot, Kimachi, right by her side. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's create this fun, tiny, expressive version together. And remember, if you ever get stuck or things move too fast, just pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing is all about having fun. Let's begin with the big chibi eyes, making them large, shiny, and expressive, with thick upper lashes to enhance that cute anime look. Chaewon is the leader of 르세라핌, known for her professionalism and warm personality. She debuted with the group in 2022 under Hybe and Source Music. For the nose, keep it tiny, round, and very delicate, perfect for the chibi proportion. Now draw the small open smile, shaped like a kitty mouth, which makes her expression extra sweet and playful. Next, draw the small ear, adding the star-shaped earring, which gives Chaewon an extra charming detail. At this stage, emphasize the exaggerated head size, much bigger than the body, which is a key feature of the chibi style. K-pop idols usually train in singing, dancing, languages, and performance for many years. The song Anti-Fragile became a major hit and represents growing stronger through challenges. Under the hat, sketch the short bangs, slightly covering the eyebrows for a cute and soft look. Draw the yellow Russian hat, adding small texture lines and fluffy details to make it look cozy. 르세라핌's name represents being fearless, without limits or boundaries. Chaewon is admired for her stable vocals and strong stage presence. She trained for several years before debuting, showing great dedication. Let's work on her short hair, with the tips reaching about shoulder level. Her hair is black, and later we'll add soft blue highlights during coloring. If you're enjoying this cute chibi drawing, don't forget to check out my other videos here on the channel. And good news, we're building a whole 르세라핌 playlist, so make sure to click the card above to explore more videos. Now move to the small and delicate torso, drawing her hoodie crop top, with the hood resting behind her back. Do you like other K-pop idols? Tell me which one you'd like to see transformed into a cartoon next. Chaewon is known for her cute yet charismatic duality on and off stage. For the left arm, keep it short and cute with the little hand holding a microphone. In Chibi style, hands can look like mittens, showing fingers only when needed. On the right arm, draw the hand making a peace sign, reinforcing Chaewon's cheerful idol vibe. Add the cheerleader-style skirt using simple shapes and clean lines. Draw the short, chubby Chibi legs with the left leg bent upward to create a dynamic and adorable pose. Sketch the stylish high boots, keeping them simple but bold to match the outfit. I started this drawing using black line art, but later I switched to a dark blue tone to harmonize better with the colors. Feel free to do the same if you like this effect. Now, let's draw Kimachi's face, keeping it round and simple, with one eye winking to enhance his playful personality. Kimachi is inspired by a baby cheetah from the FEARNOTs club universe. Kimachi's belly spot is a direct reference to Chaewon's own small belly mole. Add Kimachi's little ears Mascots are very common in K-pop and help create a strong emotional bond with fans. 르세라핌 fans are called FEARNOTs, symbolizing trust and support. Draw Kimachi's small body and tiny arms using very soft curves to keep him extra cute. And don't forget the small belly spot, which is a special reference to Chaewon herself. For coloring, the main colors are yellow, blue, red, black, and soft skin tones for Chaewon, and warm yellow tones for Kimachi, but always feel free to choose your own palette. And here's our Chaewon and Kimachi, super cute and full of attitude. I hope this tutorial has inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.